This is a great place, Riccardo's Pizza and Italian Restaurant, a 4.9 with almost 5,000 Google reviews to choose from. Easily the best pizza I've ever had in my life, and that says a lot. I've had a lot of pizza, and this is one of my favorite places. We're going to talk about the history of this place, to meet the owner, Vito, who gave us a complimentary pizza. It's never happened in my life, so there's a lot of special things. Here's the Detroit pizza that I've had. This is the best pizza I think I've ever had that's not a pizza. It's totally like an experience, depending on what type of pizza you get. Now let's talk about the history of this location and how it started, all with one gentleman. Salvatore Russo immigrated from Sicily to America in 1971 with the American dream. After working and saving money, Salvatore celebrated his 25th birthday while opening the first Riccardo's Pizza Place July 12th, 1974 in Browns Mill, New Jersey. This original location was a small shop that could seat only 15 people. Salvatore was committed with using fine and homemade ingredients that were tradition from where he grew up, with eventually establishing a reputation for quality pizza and Italian specialties. This had eventually turned into a setback July 24th, 1992, when a fire destroyed the original building and the business closed for 2 years. But soon his son Vito determined to rebuild the location. In 1993, they purchased the current property and began construction, reopening in 1994. The new Riccardo's was much bigger and was about 2,400 square feet with a dining room seating well over the 15 that it originally had. Today, Riccardo's continues to operate in Browns Mill and is passed down to Vito, who we were lucky enough to meet. This guy, his pizzas are a piece of art. It is incredibly good. I still want to try different ones like their buffalo pizza that I haven't tried yet. I'm sure it's going to be incredible. They're known for having a diverse different meal. Even their specialty dining meals are pretty good as well, which I look forward to trying. Today we ended up trying their Detroit pizza, which I can't go wrong with. But here you can see a bunch of pictures of different pizzas here. I've had their cheese. I've had a couple of their entrees, which were very good as well. And their lasagna is supposed to be some of the best lasagna out there. Thank you, Vito, for the complimentary pizza that he provided. The time that I went there, it wasn't you didn't need to do anything like that, and it was very special. I look forward to visiting here multiple times, and it's considered to be the best pizza place I've ever been to. One bite, hopefully, can get over there and confirm it as the best pizza place in New Jersey, right there in the middle.